Hi, so today I'm going to show you a wonderful exercise that begins to help stretch the neck and the spine, and it has a funny little name. It's called the Sassy Dragon. So we're going to be Sassy Dragons now. So bring your hands to your waist. So you're holding here, fingers in front, thumbs in behind. And you want to make sure your knees are bent slightly. And you're going to turn and look over your right shoulder as you bend the knee a little bit more, look over. And then straighten the knee a little bit, and then bend the knee on the other side and look over that shoulder. So you're looking over the shoulder, and then back, and then look over the other shoulder. So make sure you don't over twist. Moving one side and then the other. A little bit of shift to weight as you do this. And of course, work with your own level of flexibility. It might be slower, it might be a smaller movement. And let's do one more to each side. One more here on the left, and one more here on the right. And then come back to the center. Let your hands come down. And just feel how it started to really open up the neck and shoulder area. So feel free to do that longer. And do that at any time, especially if you're doing a lot of computer work. It's a great one to kind of stretch everything out and help you get more flexible. So I hope that helps. Have a great day. Take care.